1841 Capilano. So there's no HOA here. You can see that by seeing, weird things like that fence around that yard. There's a house a street over that has blue trim along the exterior. So maybe touch up this wood frame paint. When you have homes that are still occupied, there's always going to be items that you can't tell because the belongings may be covering it or whatever. So just full disclosure. We'd want to replace the deadbolt with landlord locks. It's one of those cool peephole viewfinder things. So this, you would think, goes to a coat closet. It actually goes to a den that they're currently using as a bedroom, but it doesn't have a closet. It's not legally a bedroom. Cabinets are showing just a bit of wear and tear. Nothing too unusual, because it also looks like maybe it's the style to have that contrast in the grain. But it is nice that we have a black space saver microwave and 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. Some of the windows do have the correct blinds that we use, but they are older, so you'll see like some discoloration here or whatever. So it's the property manager's call to see if we can keep them or if we want to replace them. Just little touches like this make me think that maybe the house needs to be repainted. The fridge is small. I think the fridge will probably need to go. And you may want to repaint the property anyway, since it's got different color walls. Really cool fan. I actually saw one of those on one of the properties we did recently. Blind is broken. Blind is broken. I don't see that blind is broken. This isn't the best job I've ever seen. Like, it's bowing a bit here, but overall it does look nice. And we have a pet door on this exterior door that also needs to be rekeyed. So this is artificial grass, which is really nice to have. Some oleanders for some greenery and privacy. It's nice to have as much concrete as we have here. It's a lot of usable space. The tile looks pretty good as well. You see some of these stainless steel looking light cover switches throughout. Interesting light fixture. These cabinets actually look pretty good. I mean, a tiny bit of wear, but it looks pretty good. Normal coat closet, nothing to report. It's a little dim in here. Replace those blinds with a normal 2.5-inch faux wood. Carpet looks good. And that blind looks like an extra wide, so it'll be a little more than the standard blinds, which is fine. Cabinets actually look pretty good in here. So does the counter. Water faucet looks fine. Light fixture looks okay. This closet has a motion sensor for the light. Maybe want to get that replaced. Carpet looks good. I like the closet. It looks pretty efficient, functional. We need a blind here. I can't believe they don't have a blind, because when I'm standing here, I can clearly see someone's bedroom. This room needs a blind. Also, there's no ceiling light in here. It's just a plug-in one that didn't turn on. Flooring looks good. This is that den right off of the front door. We need blinds there. It's a good space, I think. And we need a closet. Well, actually, it does have a closet. I missed that. Okay. It's a very small room, though. As you can see, they put a day bed in here. So definitely need the property manager's opinion on what to do with the space. We need a drain stopper in there. Replace these blinds. But it looks okay. Sometimes sellers take the shower rods. We won't know till after closing. It's a small cost. Ooh, and this one's on a motion sensor too. Maybe adjust those cabinets if necessary. It's hard to get back there. And let's hope they take this with them. Okay, so there is a fridge. We may have to junk that. There's a ceiling fan there with a light. I know sometimes property managers like having that in the garage because some people enjoy working in the garage and it makes it more usable. And they need to take those items down from the rafters. That's it.